These faceless TikTok accounts are quietly printing views in one of the most unexpected AI niches right now. Miniature rescue simulations. We're talking 19 million, 6.4 million, even 29 million views on a single video. And the wild part? Every single one of these can be made completely free. No camera, no filming, no budget required. Even if some creators are using paid tools, I'm going to show you how to replicate the exact same results without paying for a single AI subscription, so you can start your own miniature rescue shorts channel today. Let me walk you through the exact process. Open up ChatGPT and head to the Explore GPT section in the sidebar. If you can't find it, click on Apps, then GPTs, and the Explore page will open. Search for Mini Rescue Generator, choose the first result, click Start Chat, then hit Start the Generator. It's going to give you 10 different disaster scenarios: sinkholes, floods, collapsed buildings, you name it. You can pick one, suggest your own, or type Generate More to get a fresh batch of 10. I landed on number 2 from the second batch. Mini picnic swarmed by bees. A giant fan blows the swarm away. Chaotic. Perfect. Within moments, the GPT will generate 2 things: an image prompt to create the scene and a video prompt to animate it. Keep both handy because we'll need them in the next step. Now copy the image prompt and head over to Google Flow AI. Create an account if you don't have one, then start a new project. If Flow isn't accessible in your country, use a VPN to get around that. Once you're in, switch to image generation mode. Set your aspect ratio, choose how many outputs you want, and set it to 2. Then select the Nano Banana 2 model. Paste your prompt and hit send. Within moments, your images will be ready. And honestly, the quality is impressive. You'll get tiny characters, detailed environments, and scenes that look like they came straight out of an animated movie. Choose the image you like best, download it, and delete the rest. Now stay right there inside Google Flow AI because we're going to turn that image into a video. Open the settings menu and switch from image mode to video mode. Select first frame, not the other options. Set your aspect ratio, leave video output at 1x, and set your duration. I'm going with 8 seconds. Quick note, if OmniFlash isn't available yet in your region, switch the model to VEO 3.1 Fast instead. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy the video prompt it generated earlier, and paste it into Flow. Click first frame and upload the image you selected. Once everything is ready, hit send and wait for the result. When it's done, preview it and download it. Now you'll notice each clip is only around 8 seconds long, which is perfectly fine. To build a full 30 to 50 second short, you'll simply generate multiple scenes. Go back to the same ChatGPT conversation, pick the next rescue idea from the list, and send it. Just like before, the GPT will generate a new image prompt and a new video prompt. Repeat the same process. Generate the image, pick your favorite result, switch to video mode, upload the image as the first frame, paste the video prompt, generate the video. Now you have 2 separate clips. Keep repeating until you have enough scenes for your short. Bonus tip, if you want to create long-form videos instead of shorts, simply change the aspect ratio from 9:16 to 16:9 before generating both the image and the video. That's it. Same workflow, different format. One of my favorite things about this workflow is that everything happens inside a single tool. You go straight from image generation to video generation without exporting files, re-uploading assets, or jumping between platforms. It's fast, clean, and beginner-friendly. And another great bonus, the videos already come with a voiceover built in, so you're not starting from silence. Once all your clips are ready, open your preferred video editor. I'll be using CapCut. Import all your clips and place them on the timeline. You can add transitions between scenes if you want, or simply leave them as they are. For background music, don't add it inside your editor. Export the video first, then when uploading to TikTok or YouTube Shorts, use a trending sound directly on the platform. This gives your video a much better chance of getting pushed to a larger audience. And that's the entire process. Simple, free, and completely repeatable. If you want to catch the next AI content niche before it gets saturated, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Power is on! Yeah! Woohoo! Hold the barrier, it's too strong! Look, a giant hand!
We are saved! Hooray! We made it!
It worked! We are saved!
Hooray! We did it!
are saved!
The train can move now!